Hey, good day, everybody. It's what is today, Brian? February 22nd or 23rd, a Thursday. I'm here at the Goodies Rebuilding Shop for engines, transmissions, and differentials. I'm with Brian Ott. Brian, what are we going to be doing this morning? Looking at basic inspections on transmissions and diffs. Is that
Basically just going through and showing you what to look for and what makes a unit good or bad, basically.
okay? Good. What do you got up here first?
This is just an FRO transmission. I actually have not even inspected this one yet, so I guess we'll do that together. So the first thing you're going to want to do is roll through your gears, make sure nothing's chipped or cracked. Look out, a lot of times you'll have a frosting on the tooth. You got to look out for that as well. Starting to break down. All right, I don't see any cracked gears, so now you're going to want to check your sliders and the insides of the gears. The insides of the gears is one of the most commonly missed things on a check-in, but that will basically tell you whether you're tearing this down or if it's good to go. All right, and then always make sure you check your data plate just to make sure it is what it's supposed to be. If there's not one there, you'll have to run gears to make sure it is the right model so you're not wasting your time.
Very good. Very good. All right. Anything else from the point of view of just an initial inspection, what you do to see if it's functional or not and can move to the next stage?
I mean, a lot of times you can grab one. If you spin this input and you're not getting any resistance, very good possibility there's some bad sets and they're probably belt drive.
Very good. Okay, thank you. We got some differentials set up this morning. We got 3 of them. Go ahead, walk us through these as you do an initial inspection on these.
All right, this one, you can tell right away, this thing's a boat anchor. I mean, we've got
a boat anchor, I like that.
We've got a cracked gear set, we've got blown internals. One of the most overlooked parts of checking in a unit is this pocket hole down here. If that pocket hole is broken, bad case, bad unit.
Now, when you see problems with the pocket, what typically do you see? Just cracks or pieces
like
missing?
This one's completely missing. I know it's hard to see down in there.
Yeah.
You can look for cracks. It's very hard to see the bearing. So basically, you're just looking to make sure the case is retaining the bearing.
Good. Okay. What do we got here?
All right. This one looks pretty good here. By sight, pocket bearing's good. The more you get into it, you start to see this breakdown here.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
more than just surface rust. That's bad. It's bad gear set. Obviously, it can be replaced. The unit's still okay, but the gear set is bad.
What would it take to replace specifically the gear set on this as far as labor hours are concerned or effort?
I mean, you're going to have to pull this. Most of these are bolted nowadays. This one is riveted, so you're going to have to drop all that. Your pinion, you're going to have to pull your pinion block, check the bearing. You're going to replace the majority of your bearings on a new pinion. Hour, 2 hours, maybe to replace the whole gear set and get it set up.
Okay, good. Thank you. What's this third one we got here?
This one is hopefully going to be a good unit. It's got a good pocket bearing down there, pocket hole. Teeth look really nice. There's no pitting or breakdown on them. There's no surface rust. Good looking unit. Obviously you can't see the power divider, but everything's spinning. It's not locked up or frozen. That's really the main things you're going to look for in these.
Very good. Brian Ott, we appreciate your time this morning, very much so. There'll be more. We'll look into some more with regards to transmissions in the upcoming days and weeks. So we very much appreciate your time. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you.